hello and good morning children. Let's start today with future perfect tense. Now in future perfect tense, as you can see, the word future and perfect means some action in future which is complete. Okay, so future perfect is used to refer any action, the completion of an action in future at some point of time. Okay, and that is also in future only. So let us see with one example. Okay, like by the end of, I'll just take one sentence. By the end of this month, Jay will have left the hostel. Now this is will have left. This is the formula for future perfect, isn't it? I'll write the formula also here. Will, shall, plus, have, plus, be, three. This is the formula. Jay will have left the hostel. Okay, so now let us try and understand this by timeline. See, now this is the timeline here. Okay, this is the present time now. Okay, time of present time or time of speaking. Okay, now in future, so this is the future time. Future, suppose. Okay, now by the end of this month, now suppose end of this month, like the month ends here. Okay, so end, by the end of this month till here, so it is here. By the end of this month, now here the month gets over. Okay, and Jay will have left the hostel when here, somewhere here. Okay, will have left the hostel. That means the action start, like the action started. The future perfect, it refers to the action which completes in future before another action. So this action is the first action, whereas this action is the second action. Isn't it? And we are referring, so future perfect, this is future perfect. So future perfect refers to any action before the second action. So the completion of this action before the second action is there. So at that time you use future perfect. Now let us understand the structure of it. Let us quickly see the structure of future perfect. So this is the formula we all know, isn't it? And now we see the structure also, and how you are going to use this tense in your sentences while making sentences. Okay, and in the context how you are going to use this tense. So let us take one example. The same, but I'll just write a short sentence like Jay will have left the hostel. Isn't it? It's a short sentence, and this is obviously, this is affirmative. What sentence it is? This is affirmative. Why? Because no, not, word is not there. Now let us make a negative sentence. So Jay will not. Now see the position of not. Just after the modal auxiliary verb. Okay, because this has had that's a be form. So don't write after this. The position of not will be just after will not. Jay will not have left the hostel. Now this is negative. Why? Because not word is there. Now let us make an interrogative. So interrogative is very simple. Yes, no question. This will change the place. So it will come in between. So these are yes, no types. Okay, interrogative, short form. Will J have left the hostel? Interrogation sign. Now negative, simple. Again, you will add here not word. Okay. So will not J have left the hostel? Now, in WH question, suppose. So when will J have left the hostel? Then when will not J have left the hostel? So that way you can make the negative also. Just here you will add not and it will become negative interrogative also. So I hope you understood the structure. By now you've understood the structure of all the tenses because it is just the same. Only thing, the formula. If you know the formula, will not. Now let us do future perfect continuous. Now see the formula: will shall have, will shall plus have plus be plus v1 plus ing. Okay, this is the formula which will be applying here in future perfect continuous. Now let us take one example, a sentence. Okay, actually future perfect continuous, it refers to any action which started before in future and went on for a longer period. Okay, and it's ending. When does it end? That is not clear. So it is that. So a long ongoing action in future. It refers to that. Let's take one example. For example, Mr. Dubey will have been like Mr. Dubey, same formula, will have been working in our school for 20 years next Monday, by next Monday. That means by next Monday, if he continues his job, by next Monday, he will be completing 20 years. Okay, but it is not sure that he is going to work till Monday. No. So his 20 years, we are just counting his 20 years by this next Monday. Okay. So that means if he works till next Monday, only then he will be completing 20 years. Otherwise not. But it is not sure that he stops working on Monday. Maybe he can continue his job and then obviously 21 years, 22 years it can go on. So like Mr. Dubey will have been working in our school for 20 years by next Monday. So this action, Mr. Dubey's job, okay, will have been working. That means he's continuously working, okay, and going on working. When he started his job, that's not known. No date is given, but it started somewhere, okay, and it went on for a longer period in future, okay, and for 20 years. That means by next Monday, so any Monday which is coming in future, by that Monday he will be completing 20 years. Now it's not, this Monday is not telling us that he is going to stop his work. No, he can continue and maybe more years he can cover up. So this is the long process, the continuous. The word continuous shows you that ongoing long process. Okay, it shows that. To refer this, we use this formula: will, shall plus have plus be plus be1 ing. Okay. Now let us see the structure also. Now structure can be like, it is just like we just take one sentence here. Mr. Dubey will have been working in our school for 20 years. Okay. Let us tell here. So this is positive sentence. Now if you want to make a negative sentence, Mr. Dubey will not. If we just add not here, obviously it will become a negative sentence. Then if you want to make an interrogative sentence, obviously we will change the place, we will bring this. So will Mr. Dubey, isn't it? Will Mr. Dubey have been working in a school? So interrogative sign. And then again, if you want to make a negative interrogative, then we will add not here. Will not Mr. Dubey have, same thing, it will go on. So I think we will be able to make the, you will be able to do the structure part also, because by now you have done a lot. Okay. Now we will be solving the exercises also.